Hey there, if you're looking to get ahead of AI and be able to move forward in your SEO career by being able to be a lot more efficient at creating really high quality content, and you're tired of some of the promises of the AI writing tools that are already out there, including ChatGPT, where if you ask it to write an article, it's going to make a lot of facts up that obviously that's a problem because one, it just looks bad for you, or if you're writing for clients, they don't want to see that. But also too, Google has their authoritative checklist that they go through to see if you meet what's called their EAT criteria. And, as you know, you need to have some well-researched, evidence-based content, and you need to have external links to sources. It's a really simple thing that Google looks for. And if you use the majority of AI writing tools out there, they're not going to do this. So I've found a combination of two AI writing tools that not only allows you to write fact-based content, but also allows you to find interlinked keywords. So you're producing a whole strategy and including internal links, because we all know that those are becoming increasingly more important too. So I'm going to, in the next 60 seconds, take you through step by step how you do that using these two AI tools. And if you watch to the end, I've got 3 links in there for some money off both of those tools. So let's jump in and I'll get on my computer and show you how to do that.
So AI writing tools make up too much stuff. And the solution is to use Research AI and Writing AI. So we're using a tool called SurgeGraph. This is where you find keywords, find a topic map, and then it allows you to create an outline based on what's going to rank. So these are the headings that you need to write. Then you use a tool called Perplexity to get original fact-based content. So you can see here, then I paste it into SurgeGraph and I use the expert mode to rewrite it automatically in your brand's tone of voice with the right copywriting style. And that's done. So now you have fact-based content here, for example, in the style of the Monzo style guide. It's a very well-known brand tone of voice. And there you have it. We have rewritten the content that's fact-based, and then all you need to do is copy and paste the links back in there that's listed down below. And there you have it, fact-based, well-researched, AI-written content. So if you want to try these tools out, there's a discount code down below for up to 67% off SurgeGraph and also $10 off Perplexity. So you can also try that out for free with up to 5 searches.